Hello people of YouTube, my name is Brad, this is my channel Animate Orange, and this week in 3D metal model news. Starting as usual with Fascinations, their site remains unchanged. Nothing has moved over from coming soon to what's new, nothing new has shown up on what's new. However, the recent newsletter, this month's newsletter recently came out, and it does show a model coming soon, and that is the U2 Dragon Lady. All we get is a picture of the model. No real details of it, just that it's a model coming very soon. Still, though, things are very much in limbo with Fascinations. We've been waiting for the Hogwarts castle for quite some time now, and it hasn't come out. We've been waiting for other models for nearly as long, and they haven't come out. It looks like Piececool is back up and getting stuff out, and it's showing it's available on their stores. However, I will say, now I myself have ordered stuff from Aliexpress, and it's taken forever to get here. One model that I ordered back April 10th just showed up last night, and another model from May 2nd still hasn't shown up. So it could be just a fact of getting it here and through customs and into the hands of people at Fascination so they can send it to us. That may be the issue. I'm not sure, but yeah, things are definitely dragging on and taking forever. However, there is a new contest or giveaway with this newsletter. Happy Father's Day. Allow us to give the gift of Metal Earth models to that special father figure in your life. To qualify, send marketing@fascinations.com a photo of you and your father or a special role model in your life, bonding over building models. Metal Earth models. Entries must include a message to that special person in your life letting them know how much they mean to you. All entries must include an image, short message, and the full name and mailing address of the recipient that is to receive the gift of Metal Earth. We will make sure to let them know how much they mean to you. Deadline June 29th, 2020. And also, they've posted pictures of last month's or last giveaways winner, so congratulations to, I'm going to try to say this right, Baptiste Tennant. Space shot of the Millennium Falcon and the two TIE fighters with the Death Star in the background. It's a pretty good shot right there. And Peter Balamas, collection of Star Wars models, including the Disney exclusive droids. So pretty cool. Congratulations to the two of you for that, and good luck everyone in the giveaway. Moving on from that, Piececool. I hesitate to even mention this, but Piececool shows some new stuff on their site. This time it's more of the metal building bricks, the metamonics bricks. They're like metal Legos. I've talked about them before. They're not calling them by that metamonics or whatever name, but that's what it looks like they are. The overall consensus is that most people don't seem to be at all interested in these. They're kind of pricey. They're just metal Legos. Why bother? But I will at least mention them. They've got, it's just kind of an addition to what they already have. They've got a Kung Fu tea set, an Ancient Wind screen set, a Moonlight box, a Star Beast, and a Star Pile Beast. Both of those look like some sort of pig, and I know they've had pig type models out before. Whatever, it doesn't seem like anybody's really interested in this, and I've not tried thoroughly, but I've tried to find them on like Aliexpress. I can't even find any of the bricks, even the previously released ones. So again, if you have any interest in it, let me know in the comments down below, but I don't think anybody really is. Now, speaking of Piececool, as I started looking through Aliexpress and online stores and whatnot, it looks like the newer Datang street models are out. The street scene, the archway, escort building, or security building, because I found out that that's like a security company, like they escort you for security reasons, from my understanding and from what I'm told. I saw those on the New York Model Store, on AliExpress, Funny Model Store, Magical Model Store. I'll put some links in the description down below if you're interested to find those or buy those. Also looking around on Crazy Toys, or also looking around on AliExpress. Crazy Toys AliExpress store has a couple of the new MU Shanghai Beach Series models, which I think I talked about last week, or was it the week before? I'm honestly, I lose track sometimes. They come out with these metal companies come out with like a themed type thing, and then somebody copies them, and then they expand the theme, and then the other company puts out a whole different theme, and it gets kind of confusing, and I get lost about what I've talked about. But it looks like the Crazy Toys on Aliexpress has the jewelry store, department store, their ballroom, and the tea house. I don't see those on crazytoys.co.uk, just on their Aliexpress store, but that's not unusual for them to have something on one store and not the other. And that's about it for the new models and upcoming models this week. From what I found, things are still kind of moving along slowly, still waiting on Metal Earth models to come out with the ones they've announced. I am kind of excited about them, but at the same time I'm kind of enjoying the break, and I really haven't been able to catch up very much with all the models that have come out. I've just had a lot going on with my own personal life and myself recently. Next week I'm starting a new job, so things are bound to change a little bit, and I have no idea what my schedule is, or very little idea of what my schedule is, so it's hard for me to plan anything beyond the next couple of days. So I'm not sure how things are going to turn out. I'm pretty sure it's going to impact how I'm putting out videos, but I'm going to continue to do my best. I've also just had other things going on in personal life. I keep mentioning this truck that I'm working on. I've put a lot of time into trying to get it running. I finally got a new engine in it, well, a new used engine, and cranked up and running, and wanted to go get it inspected because I still haven't got it inspected. I got the truck in December of last year and never inspected it because it's not going to pass. And there was an issue with the taillights. There's still an issue with the taillights. It's an electrical issue. I can't find it. I'm trying to find somebody to inspect it, somebody to fix the wiring on it, because it's just beyond me. And I was hoping to get all this done before I started the new job, and I'm kind of disappointed that I haven't. And just that's taken up a lot of my time here recently, and just trying to rush and get that finished before I start this new job, and it hasn't worked out, so I'm feeling a little defeated there. And also just trying to get ready for this new position and the surgeries. My arm is doing a lot better, so thank you everyone for the well wishes and concerns. The redness is almost completely gone. The bruising is going down. The bruising wasn't that bad, and it's a lot more flexible now. I was very concerned about not being able to start this new job because of how my arm felt, but I'm pretty sure I'm up to the task. I mean, I ended up a couple of days ago putting an alternator, an air compressor, a power steering pump, belt, radiator, and fan, and shroud all back into the truck by myself. So I think I'm up to doing some cleaning, which I've been doing around the house too. But anyway, I'm rambling on. I do want to get back to the giveaway that I've been running. This is the last one for now. Using Excel to assign random numbers and do a random draw for the winner of last week's contest, which was our giveaway. I keep wanting to say contest. It's not a contest. It's just a giveaway. Last week's giveaway winner of the Batmobile, the Slave 1, and the Praying Mantis is Kevin M. So congratulations to Kevin M. for being randomly chosen as the winner. I'll be contacting you shortly if I haven't already. There were 28 entries. I know some people are sometimes interested in how many people have entered the contest. There were 28 to this go around. And for now, that's the end of them. I don't have any more models to give away. I would like to do this again at some point, but it's definitely going to hold off until I've gotten accustomed to this new position and figured out what I'm doing and how I'm going to handle things. So for now, I kind of do need a break from it. Again, it's been enjoyable. I've liked being able to give these models away. It is a little bit of extra work, not a ton, but trying to make sure that I've managed everything and gotten emails and sent models out and dotted all my I's and crossed all my T's and put all the information out there. And I could use a little bit of a break. I think I could use a little bit of break from a lot of things right now. It's kind of funny that I pushed myself so much to try and get one project finished and borderline neglected this channel, and I almost forgot the idea that I'm starting a new job here in a few days, and I should probably relax and refocus, which is what I'm trying to do right now. I put out a video a couple of days ago about a pass the model challenge idea I'm working on, and it's kind of copying the idea that I've seen other places where different people get together and put out and do their own portion of this challenge, and somebody puts it all together. And I think one of the first ones I saw was like a nurse's one where they're in scrubs and they pass a pin in it into the like off camera, and then it switches to somebody else who takes the pin and they're in scrubs, and then they cover the screen, and when they come back they're like in full cosplay or something. And then there's versions where it's makeup challenge and they have a makeup brush, and they're in plain clothes, and then poof, they're in makeup and dressy clothes, and then pass the next person. I've seen several different versions of that, and I wanted to do my own. I talk about it this in the video, so I'm kind of repeating that. So go check out that video if you're curious to know more, because I'm looking to see if there's people out there who would record a section of the model, of them before and after building a model, to do a compilation video myself for the community. I think that would be a lot of fun. One of the things several people have asked about, and the main reason I'm bringing it up, is a deadline. I didn't give a deadline because I wasn't really thinking about a deadline. I was just kind of leaving it open to see if any people would be interested, or anybody would be interested. So it's not that I want to give it a deadline, but it's probably a good idea to give like an ending point. So what I'm going to say is about a month out. I'm going to put the deadline of July 15th for everybody to put together their version of the video and send me a copy, and then I will start putting things together. And depending on how many responses I get, I may make more than one. We'll see. So deadline of July 15th to give everybody plenty of time to get a model, pick one they want, do the before and after, and get it in. Possibly even do more than one if you want to, whatever. It's, this is all just for fun, so I'm not going to be stringent about it. But yeah, I'm going to try and post that other places as well, post on the regional video, and make an announcement here and there just to let everybody know, because a lot of people have asked about a deadline, and I feel like for some people I probably should just kind of need to give one, because some people, you just need one, rather than leaving it completely open, which was my original idea. So I'm going to put a link in the description down below to that video so you can check it out. I'm happy to do the editing if you're able to put the two sections together, great. If it's two separate videos, I'm happy to do the editing so that it's a clean break from one to the other, and then I will edit everything into one thing. So yeah, I think that'd be a lot of fun. I'm going to leave it at that. I do want to thank everyone for watching. Thank you to my Patreon supporters for continuing to support this channel. Thank you for everyone for their support with everything, and concern for my arm. Things are getting better. And yeah, I'll leave it at that. As always, thank you, and keep on keeping on.